Hey, Anna. Wow, it's really nice to see you here. I didn't expect to meet you today. How are you?
Hi, Tom. Yes, it's a surprise. I'm doing really well today. I slept early last night, so I feel fresh. How about you? How's your day going?
My day has been pretty good so far. I woke up early too, but I was still feeling a little sleepy, so I came to the park to wake myself up. The fresh air really helps.
Yes, totally. The weather is so nice. The sun is warm, but not too hot, perfect for a walk or just relaxing.
Exactly. And it's not too crowded today. I like the park when it's quiet like this.
Me too. It feels peaceful. It's a great place to take a break from everything.
So, what did you do this morning? Anything interesting?
Let me think. I woke up around 7, then I made a cup of tea. After that, I did a short yoga session, just 10 minutes, but it really helped me start my day. Then I read a few pages of my English book, and after that, I came here.
That sounds like a healthy and calm morning. I wish I had mornings like that.
What about you? What did you do?
Well, my morning was not that calm. I woke up at 7:30, but I stayed in bed for like 20 minutes scrolling on my phone. Then I finally got up, brushed my teeth, and made some breakfast. After that, I cleaned my desk because it was super messy. Then I thought, I need to go outside and came to the park.
I do that sometimes too. Stay in bed and scroll on my phone.
Yeah, it's a real habit now.
Look at the trees today. The leaves look really bright and green.
Yes, and there's a nice breeze. Not too strong, just enough to feel cool.
I love sitting on this bench. It has the best view of the pond.
Oh, yes, the pond. Look, there are ducks swimming today.
Aw, the ducks are so cute. I love watching them. Sometimes people feed them bread.
Yeah, but I heard bread isn't good for ducks.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, my sister told me. She read it somewhere.
Good to know. I will remember that.
So, you mentioned before that you're learning to paint? Tell me more about that.
Yes, I started painting about a month ago. I watch beginner tutorials online, mostly watercolor painting because it's simple and relaxing.
What do you usually paint?
Mostly nature, flowers, trees, mountains. I tried painting people, but it's much harder.
Yeah, people are tricky, but landscapes sound nice.
What about you? How's your guitar practice going?
Pretty good, actually. At first, my fingers hurt a lot, but now I can play a few chords without pain.
Nice. Can you play any songs now?
Just simple songs and very slowly, but I enjoy it.
That's the important part. So, how do you usually practice English?
Well, my method is simple. I listen to English podcasts while walking. Even if I don't understand everything, I just listen. It helps my ears get used to the sounds.
That's a good idea. I watch short YouTube videos, usually easy English or daily English sentences.
Do you repeat after the video?
Yes, I do shadowing. I pause, repeat, and sometimes record myself.
Wow, that's smart. I should try that.
You should. It really helps with pronunciation.
So, any big plans for this weekend?
Not really big plans. I might visit a new cafe with my cousin. She loves trying new places.
Sounds fun. Do you like cafes?
Yes, I love the smell of coffee and the cozy atmosphere.
Me too. It's a good place to study or relax.
Exactly. What about you? Any plans?
I'm planning to go hiking with two friends. There's a trail about 20 minutes from here. It's not difficult, but it's beautiful.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. I love hiking too.
You should come next time.
Sure, I'd love to.
By the way, how is your English class going?
It's going really well. I have a new teacher. She's very kind and helpful.
That's great. Good teachers make a big difference.
Yes. And she gives us homework, but it's not too hard. Just short writing tasks.
Do you like writing in English?
A little bit. Sometimes it's difficult to find the right words.
I understand. I feel the same when I try to write long sentences.
Do you remember last year when we came to this park with your brother?
Oh my gosh, yes. That was the day we tried to fly a kite.
Yes, and the kite got stuck in a tree.
Oh my gosh, that was so funny. We tried so hard to pull it down.
Your brother climbed the tree halfway.
He was so determined, but in the end, a kind old man helped us get it down with a long stick.
That old man was so friendly.
Yeah, I still remember how he said, "Next time, choose a bigger field."
True advice. You know, I love the sound of the birds here.
Yes, especially in the mornings. They sound so cheerful.
Look, there's a squirrel on the tree.
Oh, yes! It's eating something. Maybe nuts?
It's so cute. I like watching animals. They make me feel calm.
Same here. Nature is the best stress relief. You know, all this talking is making me hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat lunch yet. I just had a small snack.
What snack?
Just a banana and a biscuit.
Oh, definitely not enough.
I know. I want something yummy now.
Do you want to go to that cafe you mentioned?
Sure, they have sandwiches, coffee, and very tasty cookies.
Perfect. I love cookies.
Do you exercise regularly?
Not every day, but I try 3 or 4 times a week, mostly walking or jogging.
That's pretty good.
What about you?
I do yoga 4 days a week, and sometimes I follow 10-minute workout videos.
That's amazing. Very consistent.
I try. It helps me stay relaxed.
Do you have any personal goals this month?
Yes, I want to finish my English book, and I want to learn 10 new English words every day. I write them in a notebook.
That's a great habit.
Thank you. What about you?
My goal is to practice guitar more, at least 20 minutes every day, and also sleep earlier.
Oh, yes. Sleeping early is very important.
I know, but I always go to sleep late.
Try reading a book before bed. It helps.
You know, we should come to the park together more often.
Yes, I agree. It's relaxing, and we always have good conversations.
Maybe next week we can bring some snacks and have a little picnic.
That sounds so nice. I can bring fruit.
I can bring sandwiches.
Perfect. It will be fun.
So, should we start heading to the cafe?
Yes, let's go slowly. I like walking in the park.
Me too. And we can continue talking on the way.
Exactly. It's a nice day. No rush.
Okay, let's go. After snacks, maybe we can walk around the pond again.
Yes, that sounds lovely.
Great. Let's go enjoy some food.
Let's go.